Hey everybody, it's Victor from Bourbonnais Motor Cars. So I have really exciting news today. Mazda announced the pricing and packaging for the CX-50. So we want to cover some of the pricing, I want to go over the features and some of the really exciting news that I think is just going to change Mazda in general, and I hope they bring to all their other cars. So today I'm kind of hanging out in this 22 CX-9, which we're going to go over in a future video, but I want to cover this news. I think it's really important, especially if you're looking for that CX-50. Everybody, if you haven't looked into the CX-50, I'll try and put an image up here. It's the new off-road crossover SUV that Mazda's making in partnership with Toyota at their new Huntsville, Alabama plant. So to quote the article, the CX-50 comes adventure-ready and signifies a new styling expression in the Mazda lineup that blends the brand's striking Kodo design with outdoor confidence. The CX-50 respectfully interacts with the newfound surrounding while emphasizing Mazda's trademark driving experience and expanding off-road capability, allowing drivers to be closer to nature. So if you're in that outdoor, if you take trips, I mean, this seems like the vehicle that they're going to shoot for. And to get into that market with your Wranglers, with your smaller outdoor all-terrains like your Outbacks, your Subarus, and kind of bring some competition to the table. So to go more into the article, the CX-50 is going to be available in 10 packages with 2 efficient powertrain choices. It's basically your SkyActiv 2.5 liter that you'll find in a lot of Mazda vehicles. And I'm assuming the 2.5 turbocharged with 256 horsepower, 320 pounds of torque. So the same engine lineups that you're going to find in all the other Mazda vehicles, they're bringing over to the CX-50, which is fantastic because why not? They're extremely reliable. Now, one really nice thing I did notice, as far as the driving modes, the crossover is going to have an off-road or all-terrain mode. It also can tow up to 3,500 pounds, depending on your package. So to start with some of the packages, the entry level is obviously going to be the S. They don't really change the naming too much. It's going to be really familiar to the CX-5 right now. So the CX-50S is going to have some of the standard features, so an 8.8-inch full-color center console display, your standard 8-speaker audio system, CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. Let's see, I'll kind of cover the unique ones if I can. Moving to the exterior, standard feature 17-inch gray metallic alloy wheels, LED lights, which, yeah, I mean, is pretty straightforward. The big thing's off-road mode and a 2,000-pound towing capability for the S, which that's pretty standard. I'd say it's nothing really too crazy there. I'm going to skip through and kind of skim through the features. We'll cover the packages in another video. If you have questions, let me know here in the comments or on Facebook. I'll give you all the links at the end of the video. But one thing I thought was really, really important, we're going to skip a couple of trims here. Basically, it goes the S Select, the S Preferred, and then there's the Preferred Plus package, which I want to cover because this is actually pretty cool. They're actually going to bring in Mazda's first ever power sliding panoramic roof with one-touch open and close features, which I think is amazing because everybody I talk to, whether it's the Mazda 3, the CX-5s, they're asking, why can't we have a panoramic roof? And if they're bringing it to this vehicle, I can only assume that they're going to bring it over to all their other models, like the CX-9, for example. Now, the S Premium, that's where you get your Bose. You're going to get Home Link. And let's see, leather seats, and there's a new terracotta color. Now, the one I have incoming actually has that terracotta color interior with their sand exterior, so I'll definitely be making a video on that. We actually should be getting it, I'm assuming, within the next month or so. I already have the allocation. We already got the color. No features or pricing yet, which obviously they're announcing today, but I think it's going to be amazing. I think this kind of wide body, more aggressive stance for a CX-50 is exactly what some customers are looking for when they're in between the taller, more SUV CX-5 versus your CX-30. Premium Plus, you start getting 20-inch alloy wheels with that machine cut black metallic accents, which you'll see in some of the pictures I'll post up. I'm pretty sure those are the wheels that they've been kind of advertising. And then when you move up to the turbo package, let's see, obviously the engine's going to change, bigger towing capacity because of the boost, paddle shifters, and then there's some exclusive exterior designs, so turbo badging, larger exhaust pipes, which is kind of nice, adaptive LED front lights, and auto leveling headlights. So you do get some features there. And then the premium turbo premium package, similar to the turbo, let's see, additional interior convenience features. So you get active driving display, heated steering wheel, and ventilated seats. So very, very similar to the package lineups on the CX-5, where it really comes down to a few features that change between the two, which is nice because when you look at the pricing, they're really close. You're really kind of like jumping in between a couple of features there. And then there's a Turbo Premium Plus package that actually adds your frameless auto-dimming rearview mirror with home link, heated rear seats, wireless phone charger in the center console, which is kind of nice. You get navigation with that, and then active driving display with traffic sign recognition too. And that's actually projected on the windshield. So if you haven't seen that before, you'll be driving, it'll tell you your speed and the recommended speed limit right on the windshield. Now this one I'm excited for. So launching later this year is actually going to be exclusive trim for the CX-50. It's going to be a Turbo Meridian edition. It's actually going to come exclusive with a more adventurous look. This one's going to have 18-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires. It's going to have a side rocker garnish, headlight garnishes, distinctive hood graphics, and a host of outdoor-specific accessories for those customers that know they're going to go off-road. They're going to use this for a specific purpose. And essentially, they haven't released pricing or features with that one yet. That's definitely going to come later this year. So I'll follow up with that in another video. Definitely, if you haven't liked, subscribed, all the good stuff, do that. Support my channel. It'd be amazing here. So now pricing, what everybody's here for. So to start pricing, you'd be surprised to think that, you know, this is a really cool looking car. Picture up in the corner. But the pricing's really kind of affordable. It's really more of a style choice, not really a price choice when you're looking at the Mazda. So between the CX-30, between the CX-5, you're kind of in the same ballpark. So it's really going to come down to what style you like the best. And I think it's going to make a big dent in that market because they're really, really nice. So the CX-50 2.5S is $26,800. We're going up to the S Select 28.2. And then the S Preferred, 29.5. Preferred Plus jumps to 31.9, and that's where you start getting that panoramic sunroof. So that's kind of that bigger price jump there. Jumping to the Premium, where you kind of start getting your bows and more of the higher end features, jumps from 31.9 to 34.4, so only about a $2,000 jump there. Premium Plus, 36.4 for your heated rear seats, active driving display, so a little bit of a jump. Now, the neat thing I saw was the Premium Plus and the Turbo are actually listed as the same price. I don't know if that's going to be an update or a change to that, but right now they're both listed at 36.4. So it may be a feature difference, but you can get features or your Turbo. So some people may just want the more power. They could live without heated rear seats. Maybe that's what they're going to do. We'll see. I think it'll be a genius thought if you kind of give that option to those people that don't really want a fully jacked out vehicle and they just need the power for towing or whatever their purposes are. Turbo Premium jumps from 36.4 to 39,550, and then your Turbo Premium Plus, your kind of top of the line before that Meridian comes out, 41,550. So that's the top of the bar, biggest engine, all the bells and whistles, all the accents that you can get. I'm assuming the flagship that they've been posting. I'll try and post another image here for you to kind of take a look. But ranging between 26.8 to 41,550, giving you that affordability. I mean, that's giving you lease options in the low under 400. For anyone looking for a vehicle, I think it'd be a genius idea if you don't want something really big, if you want to kind of stay in that crossover feel and get something a little bit more aggressive. I think it'll be a really cool option. They also listed the paint options. So they have the polymetal gray from your carbon editions. I'm sure everybody's seen that color. If you haven't, it's really, really nice. Wind chill pearl, which I'm assuming is a white. The zircon sand metallic, which is the one I'm getting actually. So the one that we got allocated has that color, sort of a brownish sand color. Paired with that terracotta interior, should look pretty cool. Machine gray metallic, so that's kind of like your darker gray. And of course, the Mazda Soul Crystal mica. That's your tri-coat pearl red that you kind of see on a lot of Mazdas. So I can't wait for this vehicle. Of course, those prices don't include a destination charge. Typically, to get in a little bit of a terms and condition type of deal, anytime you buy a vehicle that's new, there's a destination charge. So all those prices around $1,200 higher with the destination charge from the manufacturer. Now, I'm hoping that we get these vehicles fast. I hope that because they're built in the States, maybe there's a little bit of a quicker pipeline. We'll see. I'll definitely keep everybody updated. But I appreciate you guys hanging out. So that's Mazda's pricing and packages. I'll definitely follow up with more features. If you have questions about any of the packages, definitely comment. Let me know. I'll kind of give you the breakdown for specific packages. Again, we're trying to keep the videos under 15 minutes if I can. Again, thank you for watching. Everybody, you can definitely contact me here on YouTube. We finally got 100 subscribers, so awesome. We got our own link. Definitely follow me on the other socials, Instagram, Facebook. They're all going to be BMC Victor, so Bourbonnais Motor Cars Victor, just broken down. If you have any questions about any vehicle, really, we sell Mercedes and Mazda specifically. So if you have any questions about those models, if you're interested in ordering a vehicle, which seems to be the way to go, really simple process. I take you through, guide you through the process of building your specifics, put down a deposit, we'll order it for you. If you're in the Midwest, if you're in Chicago, I'm south of Chicago, we could definitely order it, deliver it if it's close. We could ship it if it's an option. Definitely, I mean, in terms of my job, I'd love to earn everybody's business if I can. But follow me here on YouTube. I'm going to do a lot more of these articles. I really want to follow up and kind of build a community around these channels. So if you have any questions, right here, YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, give me a shout. I'd love to help, love to take care of you. Thank you, everybody, for watching the video. As always, Bourbonnais Motor Cars, we're located in Bourbonnais, Illinois. Spelling-wise, have fun with it. Google Bourbonnais, you'll Bourbonnais, like really kind of straightforward. If anything, comment below, like, subscribe. I appreciate everything. All the 100 subscribers, you guys are amazing. If I get more, we build this channel. Hopefully we get more opportunities to follow up with more vehicles. And, you know, I can do something with myself. But have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.